To troubleshoot Semrush projects, start by understanding the tool and its features. Semrush is a digital marketing platform that provides insights and data to improve website performance and online visibility. First, identify the issue you are experiencing with your project. Is it related to data accuracy, tool functionality, or setup? Once you have identified the problem, check the project settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. Verify that the target website and keywords are correctly set up and that the crawl settings are appropriate for your website. Next, review the data and reports generated by Semrush. Check for any discrepancies or inconsistencies in the data. Use the audit tool to identify technical issues with your website, such as broken links, duplicate content, or mobile usability problems. If you are experiencing issues with keyword rankings or backlinks, check the keyword list and backlink profile to ensure they are up to date and accurate. Use the competitor analysis tool to compare your website's performance with that of your competitors. To resolve common issues, check the Semrush Knowledge Base and Help Center for tutorials and guides. You can also contact the Semrush support team for assistance. Best practices for troubleshooting Semrush projects include regularly reviewing project settings and data, monitoring website performance, and staying up to date with the latest tool updates and features. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot Semrush projects and gain valuable insights to improve your digital marketing strategy. Regularly reviewing and optimizing your Semrush project will help you to stay on top of your website's performance and online visibility, and make data-driven decisions to drive business growth.